On this episode of Evolved 11,
we make 3 different kinds of recipes with Monkey Munch. They're all delicious.
good morning, monkeys. Third time's the charm. Here we are with better sound.
I think I sound great all the time, but I sound even better now.
Alright, we're gonna get into it. We are making 3 different recipes using our brand new product, Monkey Munch. I'm gonna tell you right now, you know a product is good when our friends and family reach out to us about it. So I've had 2 different Carolyn shout out and my mom reached out and they were like, can you get me Monkey Munch? You said that your mom's friend ate the entire bag in one sitting.
It's like borderline unconscionable, but
and
yeah,
Morgan,
he ate the whole thing.
And Morgan reached out. That's how you know a product's good, because it doesn't happen with everything.
And then also, you know, it's good when all of our employees, they've got this thing called Monkey Money, where they basically get like money each month that they can buy whatever products we have in the factory. Everyone has been using their Monkey Money to buy this munch, and that's why it's been so hard to keep in stock.
Muscle Woman also ate an entire bag over the weekend.
Over the weekend is a more normal time frame than in one sitting, so I support
Lee said
that.
that he could do it too. He could eat like a whole bag in one sitting. Anyway, let's
So we're trying to give you
into
some
it.
creation, some other things to do.
If
Is
you
there
don't want to
housekeeping?
just eat it out of the bag, then you can make these recipes. So
Monkey
the
Troop
first...
is still open, right?
What?
Isn't there like some stuff that we have to do with the Monkey Troop? Like announcements?
Sightings, and
Okay, I'll talk about it.
yeah, if they want to post their Monkey Munch creation.
Yeah, I'll talk about it at the end.
Okay.
So the Monkey Munch breakfast bars are our recreation of a kind bar. So you guys
Wow.
know the kind bar.
Ooh.
Go ahead and eat it. What are
Can
you
I
doing?
eat
Yes.
Okay. Oh, it fell apart.
It's made with Monkey Munch puffed quinoa, chia seeds, and maple syrup, and it's dipped in dark chocolate. It's
Wow.
not free. Oh wait, are you not supposed to have Monkey Munch?
It's okay. A little Monkey Munch.
Why do you always eat?
That's fine.
His reaction.
Let's just stay together more.
Wait, it
Maybe
tastes
if it
like
was
something. What does it
kind
taste
bar?
like? It kind of does taste
It,
like
kind of,
a kind bar.
definitely tastes like a kind bar.
Yeah, it does. Michelle, should we get express shipping for the product? Where are you located? Because I don't know if you need to for every single area of the country. So if you're in like Texas, Florida, you know, the really hot states, I'd probably recommend it because there is a good amount of chocolate in here. But
Not everywhere needs it.
not everywhere needs it.
We insulate
Michigan.
we insulate and put ice packs in every single shipment that goes out our door nowadays. And we're paying for that. Like that's coming out of our own pocket, we're not charging you. So we're trying to make sure that it's cool. And then we freeze everything before we ship it out.
I think you should be fine in Michigan.
Yeah, you're good.
Okay.
Especially with this. If you get this product, you're good. Keto cups might
That's
be a
what she
different
was asking
story.
about.
Yeah.
She was asking about the Monkey Munch. Alright, let's try the Monkey Munch Fat Bombs. So these are made with pitted dates, unsweetened coconut butter, roasted coconut butter, sunflower seeds.
Sick.
Just pick it up.
I love how we put too many balls in the bowl. I want to try the toothpick. That looked fun. Oh no, no.
These taste like a Larabar. Can you see that?
This is like if we made a banana truffle back in the day.
Morgan, I don't think we're gonna be in stores with Monkey Munch. Unfortunately, it's a very expensive product for us to make, and we would not make any money if it was on store shelves.
Yeah,
we would lose money if it was on store shelves.
This is good. It's like a little banana ball. I like these things. They're cute.
Yeah, those are good.
Would meme again for sure.
Okay, last but not least,
We're really flying through these recipes. Anything else to say about the... What would the banana balls be
they
good
were
for?
good, I don't know. What would they
Which
be
one do you
good
like
for?
better so far? You like the
first
kind
one.
bar or you like the kind bar better?
Yeah,
The balls are a little too crumbly.
whenever I eat something date-based, I don't know. It makes me feel guilty. Like, I feel like there's so much sugar in date.
Because they're just little sugar nuggets.
Yeah. So let's try the Paleo Monkey Munch bites. These are like little mini muffins.
What's in it? I can't have this.
Yeah, you can have it.
there's no almond flour.
Ah, so she made it with cassava. So there's 2 ripe bananas, a quarter cup
Whoa.
coconut oil, 2 eggs or flax eggs, cinnamon, maple syrup, almond flour or cassava flour, teaspoon of baking powder, baking soda, and roughly chopped monkey munch.
Can I show
This
you?
is my favorite looking thing. Like,
Look at the cobwebs that come out.
cobwebs, delicious. I just think it was that stretch. I don't think we need to call them cobwebs.
There's like a big
They're
stretch
fun.
to
They're
them.
fun little muffins. These remind me of those muffins that you get like, what are those? Pop'ems or like Intamins? They get them in like a box or like individually wrapped. Am I like making this up or is this real? Is that what they're called? Pop'ems?
Yeah, like that, yeah. And then little bites.
Little bites. That's it.
Since the cobwebs are from the bananas baking.
Cobweb.
Kava chips?
These are. This by far is the best one
Really?
to me.
I like the first one the best.
This is my winner. This stays together. This is a much better product. I like this the best
Mmm. That was a good bite. It depends on your bite.
because it's roughly chopped a munch.
Mhm.
This wins for me.
Okay.
Paleo Monkey Munch'N bites. Wow. You could probably add maca to these too and give yourself energy.
Mac and monkey munch place. Mini muffins?
Where can people find these recipes? Are we gonna post these anywhere?
Yeah, so they're gonna go on Doug's resource guide
Doug's Resource Guide.
for today's episode, which gets posted in the Monkey Troop,
Wow.
our secret Facebook group.
These are legit. I like these. Look at all that chocolate in that one, guys.
Meg, you're going back to bed? I wish I could go back to bed.
Do you? Are you tired?
Actually, no. I'm not that tired.
I feel like you're in the zone today.
Yeah.
You're like blasting through recipes, just trying to mess some stuff up.
Speaking of Siete,
Wow!
what a great segue. Tomorrow we're going live with them.
Woot woot.
In the Monkey Troop, we have an open post where you can let us know what questions you want.
I knew there was a housekeeping item.
Yeah, but
You wanted to keep it to the end?
Yeah.
Because I didn't know your plan.
Yeah.
Shouldn't tell me your plans.
no. So if you have a specific question you want us to ask, you can put it in the post, or you can just DM us and we'll try to ask it. Also, that's it.
Are we gonna try the queso?
Our
Is it in store yet?
We could find
The
it.
queso still isn't
We'll
on the
check
store.
today.
I heard that it was not on shelves. It was in the refrigerated section.
Ooh.
It's in the refrigerated section, and Miguel said that it's going live on July 8th. So we should try to go to Whole Foods maybe today if we haven't found it, and see if we can snag some queso.
The refrigerated section.
Yeah, it's a refrigerated dip.
But like where?
It's a refrigerated dip. So maybe it's in our Whole Foods. In like Whole Foods Lake Grove, there's like a vegetable section when you first walk in. Maybe it's over to the left.
Like by the salad dressings?
Yeah,
Has
it might be there.
Has anyone found it in their Whole Foods yet? What section was it in?
He says it's a refrigerated dip.
They should promote that. Like what
It's
section?
confusing. It's tough.
Maybe we should ask them tomorrow.
But it's not shelf stable.
You
It's
think
a
it's-
refrigerated queso.
Oh, I know where it's going to be by.
Next
Of
to
course, it's going to be by the cheeses. You know how they have like the vegan cheeses? Like the
Ah,
Kite Hill.
yeah.
Kind of, for our store, it's like near the yogurt section. It's probably going to be by there.
Yeah, there's always
That's
a
the
cap
dairy.
with
It's in our
Siete
fake
wrap.
dairy section.
Oh, yours is near the hummus.
Oh, the hummus is at the little end cap,
Yeah, we have an end cap.
which is right next to what you're talking about.
Yeah,
They have the Siete wraps on them too, yeah.
yeah.
Okay, so it's probably over there.
That's got to be where.
We gotta check it out.
We got to check it out.
I had it, guys. It's legit. It's the truth.
By the guacamole. You saw it, Mom? No, you didn't.
It's just lost.
Yes?
Okay. That's it.
That's it. Tomorrow, live, Siete. Today, Paleo Monkey Munch'N Bites are my favorite. Christy's favorite was this Kind Bar recreation.
And the fat
This
bombs
one,
were good
the
too.
fat bombs are fun. It could have used a little more. It wasn't sticking together as
My
much.
mom said no, that's where everything is. She
Oh,
just
gotcha.
knows.
She just knows. Okay, there
Okay.
you go.
Alright, see you guys tomorrow for the Siete episode.
Toodaloo.
Bye!
Bye.